Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, some important events have taken place which has caused the crypto Twitter to start asking the question, is the bull market for the crypto market in the last 2025 is over? Well, if you want to hear the simple answer to that, my answer would be no. Even though I've been very skeptical about the crypto market in February, there's some important events which I want to discuss with you today. First of all, I want to talk about the way we are actually surviving the price dip. First of all, Bitcoin is now finding a support close to 88,000, while a lot of people are still anticipating a little bit more pullback as panic selling will not slow down. If you pay attention to the fear to the grid index, you realize that we're heavily heading into the fear zone with 29. On the other end, 1.4 billion has been liquidated from the crypto market just in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is breaking below a parallel channel, raising the probability of a drop to 81,000. This altcoin under 15 cents, which is obviously Dogecoin whales, are definitely paying attention to. Urgent crypto alert. Spencer exposes crazy flaws in the US stablecoin regulation. Stablecoin regulation is going to be a key point on what the next crypto market is going to do, and Donald Trump's crypto portfolio hits 12-month low. This is huge. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, especially Dogecoin, I highly recommend you guys scroll down, tap the red subscribe button for the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what's happening in the crypto market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. Now, first of all, I just want to show you guys the way Dogecoin market is moving, just to give you a little bit of perspective in terms of what to expect in the near coming future. Now, you can see that Dogecoin has fallen down to 20 cents. There is a very clear support at about 19.7 cents, which is the pre-market pump that we had in October, or pretty much at the start of November. And you can see that's exactly where we were able to find a little bit of support, and now Dogecoin is able to consolidate. Now, if we talk about the same thing for Bitcoin, 88,000 has acted as a support previously, but at the same time, it's not a strong support. It's only been about 5 to 6 days where we were able to consolidate at this price, but you can see it's already gone below to retest close to 87,000. But what does this mean in the short term? Well, if you ask me, this is not financial advice, but in the short term, it's a very clear downtrend which will be pretty much formed from the panic selling. There's three things that usually happen when the market dips like this. First of all, there will be a lot of whales which will decide to panic sell, which is going to cause a lot of small traders to panic sell. There's going to be a little bit of a pullback, which is going to push the price of Bitcoin, let's say, by $800. But after that, a lot of heavy risk traders are going to be liquidated. Therefore, the pushback is going to be even stronger. I mean, the simplest way of seeing it is we went from 96,000 to 87,000 in just 2 days. So that's a lot of movement that's taken place. And if you pay attention to Bitcoin's open interest, it's only down about 1%, and the long to the short ratio is starting to favor the long traders a little bit more, with 65% of the people believing we're going to be getting a recovery very soon. This was one of the driving factors. I mean, 1.5 billion being liquidated, so you know the market's going to be able to pull back. And Dogecoin breaking, or actually Bitcoin breaking below a parallel channel, is now starting to show a little bit of a pullback to 81,000. And Donald Trump, I mean, you guys know with blockchain, everyone's tracking constantly in terms of what's happening with each different portfolio, and right now Donald Trump's crypto holding is down to 12-month low, and this is pretty much raising some concerns with the crypto holders, as they believe that Trump thinks the top is here. Now, let me tell you one thing. Bitcoin being over 100,000 was pretty much an anticipation everyone was waiting for this bull market, but there was a little bit of expectation that we are going to be seeing a little bit stronger pull. Now, every single time that we have had the bull market for Bitcoin, it's always formed a bigger, higher high, but how much has always reduced in terms of what's happened previously. Now 2021 actually had the highest point close to 68. This time we got to about 110, which wasn't able to even double, and that's why a lot of people are expecting Bitcoin to do even bigger numbers. But you need to pay attention to the market cap, and that's the reason why there is a little bit of uncertainty, and the trading volume is seeing an explosion. But one of the big reason on why the crypto market is struggling this bull market a little bit more is because of the ETF release and a little bit more limelight ever since Trump came into power towards crypto. There's definitely more regulations happening to the stable coins. And if you do not know, stable coins such as USDT are pretty much the backbone of the entire crypto market. And if there's going to be more struggle period for the stable coins, there's definitely going to be struggle period for the entire crypto market. On the other end, South Dakota lawmakers killed a bill to allow state investment in Bitcoin. So that's one of the first states that we have heard this from. And JP Morgan's CEO supports Elon Musk's Doge effort, stating the US government is inefficient and it needs to be done. Well, let's just say we're getting some more rich people that's actually supporting what Elon is trying to do to ensure that the government and the country is able to do better. And Michael Saylor's strategy now owns nearly 500,000 Bitcoin, which is nearly worth $47.5 billion at current price. And if it doubles, you guys know that's going to be huge. And President Trump say he's in serious discussion with Putin to end the war and make major economic deals. Now what's really interesting about this is if you just go down here, there's a lot of things happening. Meme coins, not war. Yeah, this is how you should negotiate like a boss. Go Trump. So there's a lot of people which are supporting this and trying to see a positive side of this. And 377 billion German asset manager launches crypto trading and custody service for institutional clients. So there's going to be more buying this dip. And the Bitcoin short-term traders cost basis is at 92,000. The break of this level could emphasize close to 72,000. And Dogecoin drops below 19 cents. The probability of a deeper correction towards 6 cents significantly increases. Do I see this happening? Well, the simple answer is no, because 6 cents would clearly invalidate the entire bull market this season, and I personally do not see that happening in the near term future. And the XRP is breaking out of the ascending parallel channel, targeting $1.65. SEC versus Ripple lawsuit takes a shocking new twist. I mean, OIG investigation uncovers possible SEC bias, and they're just trying to say that in the past maybe SEC was being a little bit biased and actually being against crypto. And big news, SEC drops the major crypto probe without penalties. So it's very clear to see that ever since Trump has come into power and we're getting new replacements for the SEC, it's definitely in a little bit of favor for the crypto market. But right now it's a little bit of a chaos, so just be a little bit calm. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Everything I said is not financial advice. Do your own research, enjoy your time. This is just my personal opinion. Have a great day and I'll see you soon.